Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Facebook Reels. Connecting your PayPal account is essential for receiving payouts from your monetized content. We'll guide you through the simple steps to link your accounts, ensuring you can easily collect your earnings. This process helps streamline your payment management, allowing you to focus more on creating engaging Reels for your audience. Let's get started and make sure your hard work pays off. Before we dive into the connection process, there are a few important prerequisites to cover. First, confirm you have a professional Facebook account or access to Creator Studio, as this is where you manage your monetization settings. Second, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified and up to date with all necessary personal and banking details. Lastly, your Facebook presence must meet all current monetization eligibility criteria to receive payouts. Now, let's walk through the actual steps to link your accounts. Begin by going to your Facebook Professional Dashboard or Creator Studio, then find the Payouts section. Here, you will see an option to add payment method. Select PayPal from the available choices. You'll then be prompted to log into your PayPal account to authorize the connection. After successful authorization, review your payout settings to ensure everything is correct. Connecting PayPal offers several great benefits, including secure and direct receipt of your Facebook Reels earnings. You'll enjoy quick and reliable access to your funds, typically within a few business days after processing. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that both your Facebook and PayPal accounts are fully verified and meet all eligibility requirements. For persistent problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Facebook or PayPal support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.